Previously on Losing It, the wait is over.
1 second. Come on. 1 second.
Up top!
Come on, SHEVON. Some people might can't do what we do a while ago.
True.
That me I tell you.
All right, breathe. Move on. Just come on. Relax.
Oh God, me feel sorry for Britney.
With only 3 shows to go, the contestants have really been stepping it up and giving it their all. Nothing is impossible. I'm your host, Talia Suarez, and Losing It, the wait is over starts now.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger, more than ever, after hour. Work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger, more than ever, after hour. Work is never over. Work is never over. Work is never over.
Last week, we twisted things up a bit and got the trainers involved. This week is a whole new ball game. We test the skill and speed of our contestants, and believe me, it wasn't easy. But first, let's check up on them.
Today, ladies, we're going to do some exercise using your body weight. All right, so Stacey, you're going to do some incline push-ups, and you're going to do some step lunges, and then we're going to do some standing obliques. All right, so ready? All right, Stacey, get into it.
This week in the gym, my progress was good. I worked out, well, say about an hour every day.
On a scale of 1 to 10, my progress this week at the gym was about a 4.
I feel great, honestly. I feel great. I feel confident knowing that I can do it. The thing is, it's not all about workouts. It's about also dieting.
The changes in my body, it made me a little bit confident in clothing that I wear. I don't feel ashamed to hide or wear big stuff to hide my shape, so yeah.
That's it, Stacey. Just keep that core tight and breathe.
My coach has been pushing me 100%. It's just on my part to give back the 100 instead of the 80-20 right now.
I'm proud of the progress that they're making. It could be a whole lot more, but it's progress. Work those arms. You're doing great.
The changes that I'm seeing in my body right now, it's, well, good because I'm seeing where I'm getting more shape. I think I'm losing my bottom though. I still have it, but I'm losing it. My tummy is my main aim, so I'm still pushing to lose it. And no, I'm not gonna lose it that quick, but full body workout, we'll do it after a time. Well, my relationship with Master BRYAN is excellent. We work well together. He's a type of person that goes for what you want. Even if you're saying, I can't manage, I really can't manage. He's saying, well, you can do it. You can do it.
I pushed as much as I can, but if Master BRYAN not watching, I may just slack off, but yeah.
I know that when I'm not looking, Stacey slacks off. I'm trying to take baby steps where she's concerned because I know that saying the wrong thing and dealing with it in a particular way demotivates her. And I'd rather get a little bit than nothing at all. She knows that she's slacking off, and she knows that by slacking off, she's not achieving her goals. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, arms 2, arms 2, arms 2.
Well, 3 weeks left. All right. I don't really want to put a figure, but I'm gonna say I'm gonna try to do my best, pushing harder. Let me see if I can go 30 pounds for the 3 weeks. Let me try. So if I can do it, well, that's a 10 pound for a week for the 3 weeks, right? So that is still my aim, so I'm not stop push, so that's something there.
In the next 3 weeks, I want to see I reach the target that I aimed for, and I know that I can do it. 3 weeks, and my coach is going to push me for the next 3 weeks, and I will accomplish my personal aim.
Breathe in and out. All right, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good.
All right, guys, ready to work. Crunch, you're gonna keep your abdominal tight. Step over. Britney, starting with knee raise. Pull the leg right up and down. 10 right there. Right after that, 10 squat. Ready?
My week in the gym this week was like 50% because even though I came to the classes that were held and things, I never pushed myself how I wanted to. You know, it's coming up to my mom's memorial, so I'm getting, you know, it's like I'm preparing myself for that. So the depression is slightly coming on.
Up, 10 squat, right down.
With me in the gym this week, it was okay. I done my best same way. You understand? Push out, listen to my trainer, and that basically it. The Jamaica balanced food has been great, very great to me. And thing I try to eat one a day. Sometimes I have to eat all 3 of them, and so then give one for the day and all of them, something with snacks and so I have to try eat one a day, but just because it tasty and tastes nice, I have to try eat 3 sometimes. So, I really love it. I love it, but trust me.
Well, my team this week, Big Pop did well. Brittney, she could have done much better. She didn't do well at all this week. The attendant at the gym, it wasn't so good for Brittney. Big Pop was there all week. I have to do a little bit better on that part.
I hope to achieve greater weight loss, coming down to a 120.
I'm up here to achieve in the 3 weeks that left in this competition. Speed of meter turn up. And it have a buck for each 3 weeks. And I have a push out, triple hard, triple hard, triple hard, slipper hard. So me go. So the game face on for the 3 weeks. This is not laughing skin teeth thing for the next 3 weeks. Yeah. The 3 weeks, trust me. You know, see a smiley face from Big Pop in the gym. Serious. Believe me.
Roll the shoulders out. All right, good work, guys. Good work. High five, high five. Big Pop. Good work.
Everybody, you're gonna start with the triceps. Carrie, so you're gonna start with your biceps. Let's go. Stabilize your shoulders, Everett. Right. Squeeze your triceps. Good.
This week in the gym started out hard, really hard. My trainer had to be pushing me real hard because I gained 2 pounds last week at the weigh-in and I felt a little depressed on Monday, so I was not in the mood to work out. So my trainer had to work a little harder to get me to get into the mood.
1, okay, 2, 3.
My progress in the gym this week went excellent. I worked out really hard. Also, I really didn't listen to my coach when she told me not to go heavy, but it was really difficult not to go heavy. I'm getting stronger. The weights what you say I must lift is really light. So I had to go heavy, and guess what? I had a little motivator. Tina was a bodybuilder, and we push it right to the limit. So I lift really heavy this week, and it's feeling really good in my body.